Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be discussing about the new update brought by Drone Hacks. This update seems to be very amazing and made hack steps very easy to all the drone hack users. So before getting started with the video, there is one good news and bad news for all the drone hack users. Good news is the people who have purchased DH-lite license before 13th of August 2021, the DH-lite license has been automatically moved to the regular license. That means the people who have purchased DH-lite license before 13th of August, for them, for 24 euros, you have got the regular license. Bad news is Drone Hacks have removed the DH-lite license from their website and none of the users can purchase the DH-lite license anymore. So the people who are wishing to purchase or use the Drone Hacks, they need to purchase the regular license itself, which is worth 40 euros. In Indian rupees, it will be around 3,500 rupees. Anyways, I still feel that even for the 40 euros, this regular license is worth for the features it has. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video.
So to utilize this new update, you need to visit dronehacks.com website and download the latest version Drone Hacks software. This software is only supported on Windows machines, so you can use any of your laptop or desktop with the Windows operating system. The people who are getting the connectivity issue, the reason might be your firmware update. You must update your firmware and also check whether your laptop is 32-bit or 32-bit. If it is 32-bit, then this software is not going to work. We're mentioning the link in the description to download this software. You can directly hit on it and download the software. Once this exe file is downloaded to your laptop or desktop, you can open this software and you can see the application version. It should be 1.20. Now let's connect our drone to the laptop. Just turn on your drone and after the beep, connect your cable to the laptop. If you're using the Drone Hacks for the first time, then you need to enter the correct email address and password that you had entered while purchasing the DH regular license. Once the login is done, in the hack or flash firmware, you will get a remove altitude limit and NFZ with hacked certificate. On that, you need to click on install button. When you click on install, a small disclaimer will pop up saying that any of the violation of the government rules or drone laws, Drone Hacks will not be responsible for that. You will be the person who will be responsible for your flight. Once you hit on OK on that disclaimer, you need to enter your DJI login ID and password. Once you enter the correct email address and password that you had entered in the DJI Fly app, click on login. After clicking on login, within few seconds you'll get a small pop-up saying that hack is successful. After this, hacked certificate will be installed to the email address and password that you had entered. So with this, your hack is complete and you can go outdoor and fly your drone without any worry. Before taking our drone outdoor and flying it, I wanted to tell you guys something. With this hack, your aircraft can fly anywhere, even on the airport and even on the dam, any red zone or any yellow zone areas. But I suggest you guys not to fly your drone in any red zone or yellow zone like airport or any dams. If you're flying your drone in any red zone or any restricted areas, then you're violating the government laws. If you're thinking that you're using a nano drone and no such serious action will be taken if you fly it any restricted area, then you're wrong guys. There is a high chance that even action will be taken against you by the police. So guys, I'm requesting you all to use this hack in the right way, not to fly in any restricted or red zones. I hope so you all will follow the government laws and you will respect the government laws that are being implemented in India. Now let's quickly fly our drone and test whether it's flying more than 15 meters, and we'll also be testing Quickshot, RTH, pano mode. Everything we will be testing in the further part of the video. So after this hack, no need to press any button, any back button of the drone to activate this hack. As you can see on the screen, my max altitude is set to 15 meters. So let's fly and test it whether it exceeds 15 meters or not. So as you can see on the screen, even after installing the hack, it went maximum to the 15 meters and it did not exceed 15 meters of height. So that means we have not activated our hack, and I will show you how to activate this hack. So just go into your settings and in the safety, scroll down and go to the unlock geozone. After clicking on unlock geozone, then you need to go to aircraft unlocking license. Here you will find a dronehacks.com license. Clicking on this, you need to activate this license. After activating this license, you will get a small pop-up saying that I am qualified to fly in this area and I agree to assume full liability for flying in this area. You need to check box or both of these statements. Then click on agree. Even after applying the hack, you can see that max altitude is still at 15 meters, and even you cannot change your auto RTH. So let's fly the drone and test whether it goes more than 15 meters or not.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
As you can see on the screen, we have exceeded 15 meters of height without any warnings or without any pop-up message from DJI Fly app. So our first test of exceeding 15 meters of height has been passed, and let's move on and test RTH, whether RTH is working fine or not. To test the RTH, we need to increase our distance. We need to exceed at least 20 meters of distance. So let's quickly move on and exceed 20 meters of distance and try RTH. Now you can see on the screen that our distance is almost around 100 meters and our max altitude is still at 15 meters.
Go home.
So let's hit on the RTH and test whether it returns to home exactly, or whether it has any issues like in the previous version. As you can see on the screen that RTH worked totally fine and aircraft came back to the exact home point without any issues like previous version. With this confirmation, we can say that RTH is also working fine. Now let's test the Quickshot and pano mode. To test these quick shots, I have came to some open space.
The home point has been updated. Please
You
check
can
it on the
observe that even after closing and reopening the DJI Fly app, hack remains active. So this means that you need to only once activate the hack, and this hack will be permanent. No need to alter it every time. Now let's take off and test the quick
Take off.
shots. First, let's test the rocket quick shot at 50 meters. So even if your max altitude is showing 15 meters, your aircraft will ignore that and fly at whatever range you have set. So as you can see, a rocket quick shot worked perfectly. And now let's quickly test
3,
the
2,
drone
1.
quick shot. With these two quick shot tests, we can say that even quick shots are working fine with this hack. Now let's test the pano mode. In pano mode, let's test the wide angle because spear will take much more of time. As per the test, pano mode is also working fine. You guys can use this latest version of drone hacks without worries. Once again reminding, please follow government laws, don't fly your drone in the restricted areas. After using this hack, if you guys find any bug or if you guys have any queries, please comment below. I'll be replying to all your comments. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.